Good morning. I'm Anitha, Assistant Professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. We have a group discussion on data mining and different types of data in data mining. Now let's start. What is data mining? Data mining can be referred to as knowledge mining from data, knowledge extraction, data patterns analysis, data archaeological and data reading. There are other kinds of data like semi-structured and unstructured data, which includes the spatial data, multimedia data, text data, web data, which requires different methodologies for different mining. Data mining. Data mining is the process of extracting valuable informations and insights from large data sets. It involves using various techniques such as statistical analysis, machine learning, and database management to discover patterns and relationship in data that can be used to make predictions and or information decisions. Data mining can be applied in a wide range of fields, including business, finance, healthcare, marketing, and more. For example, in business, data mining can be used to analyze customer data to identify trends and patterns that can inform marketing strategies and improve sales. In healthcare, data mining can be used to ideas the patient data that can inform treatment decisions and improve patient outcomes. Next, data mining can also be used to extract insights from unstructured data such as text and the image using techniques such as natural language processing and computer vision. It is also important to note that data mining is a subset of data science, and it is closely related to other fields such as machine learning and artificial learning. Some of the data types which we are using in data mining is multidimensional data. Multidimensional data objects include image data, video data, audio data, website hyperlinks and linkages. Multimedia data mining tries to find out the interesting patterns from multimedia databases. This includes the process of digital data and performs tasks like image processing, image classifications, video and audio data mining, and pattern recognition. Web data. Web mining is essential to discover crucial patterns and knowledge from the web. Web content mining analysis data of several websites, which includes the web pages and multimedia data, such as images in the web pages. Web mining is done to understand the content of web pages, unique uses of the websites, unique hyperlinks, web pages, relevances, and ranking web page content summaries, time that the users spend on the particular websites, and understand user search patterns. Next is text data. Text data is a subfield of data mining and machine learning, natural language processing, and statistics. Most of the information in our daily life is stored as text, such as news articles, technical papers, books, email messages, blogs. And text mining help us to retrieve high quality informations for text such as sentiment analysis, document summarizing, text categorization, text clustering. We apply machine learning models and NLP techniques to derive useful information from the text. Next, coming to spatiotemporal data, the data that is related to both space and time is spatiotemporal data. Spatiotemporal data mining retrieves interesting patterns and knowledge from spatiotemporal data. Spatiotemporal data mining help us to find the values of lands, age of rocks, and precious stones, predict the weather patterns. Next, coming to data streams. Streams data is the data that can change dynamically, and it is noisy, inconsistent, which contain multi-dimensional features of different data types, so that data is stored in no SQL database system. The volume of the stream data is very high, and this is challenge of effective mining of stream data. Let us discuss with the students, and they will discuss about the data types and what are the data types. What are the data types in data mining? Let's start with the students. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Gopika and my team members are Divya, Devdashni, Indumati, Jayapriya and Takshmi. We are going to discuss about data and the types of data. Generally we know the data is the collections of information. Let's dig deeper into the types of data and techniques used in data warehousing and mining. There are three types of data: structured data, semi-structured data and unstructured data. First here about structured data. Structured data is highly organized, follows a clear, predefined schema. It is typically stored in relational databases and spreadsheets. Characteristics of structured data are organized into rows and columns, easily reachable and require Examples include customer information, sales transactions, etc. Next we see about semi-structured data. Semi-structured data does not allow to a strict schema like structured data but still has some organizational properties. Characteristics of semi-structured data may contain tags or marks to denote these structures. Common examples include Excel sheets and JSON files where data is nested but not highly defined. Next we see about unstructured data. Unstructured data lacks a predefined data model and does not fit neatly into the tables or databases. Next topic will discuss by the Vidya.
Techniques used in data warehousing and mining. Online analytical processing. OLAP enables users to analyze multi-dimensional data interactively from multiple perceptions. Technique is slice and dice. Viewing data from different angles. Drill down and drill up. Navigating through different level of details. Applications. Business reporting, trend analysis, forecasting. Data mining. Data mining involves discovering patterns and relationships in large datasets to extract meaningful insights. Techniques. Classifications, assigning categories, clustering, grouping similar data points together. Association rule mining, identifying relationship between variables. Machine learning. Machine learning algorithms learn from data to make predictions. Techniques. They have two types, supervised learning, unsupervised learning. Applications are recommendation system, predicting modeling.
Text mining. Text mining involves extracting useful information and patterns from unstructured text data. Technique use. Sentiment analysis. Determine the sentiment on options expressed in text. Topic modeling. Identification themes or topics in the collection of documents. Named entity recognition. Identify and categorize the name entities such as peoples, organization and location. Applications of text mining. Social media analysis, customer feedback analysis and document categorization. Image and video mining. Image and video mining involves analyzing visual data and extract meaningful information. Technique use. Object detection, identifying an object within the image or videos. Image classification, categories image into the predefined classes and categories. Applications of video and image mining. Object recognition, medical image analysis.
Now let's discuss about data functionalities. There are many common methods used. First, let's see about prediction. It is among the most common data mining functionalities, determining any missing or unknown element in the data set. Linear regression models based on previous data are used to make numeric predictions, which help business forecast and the result of any given event, positively or negatively. Next, let's see about data discrimination. It is a bias when a data set or a source is treated differently than others, intentionally or unintentionally. This data mining functionality helps to separate peculiar data set based on ambiguity in attributes values.
Now I discuss about association analysis. Association analysis is also called as market-based analysis. It is a prevalent data mining methodology with usage insights. Association analysis used to find relation between elements and frequently aggregate together. It is made up of series, a set of elements and rules that describe them that are grouped within the cases. Cluster analysis. Cluster analysis process similar to that of classification. In cluster analysis, the only difference that only class level is unknown. Cluster algorithms divide the database similarities and the group data are given more than similar to each other than the data in other group.
Now about evolution analysis. Evolution analysis refers to the study of data that may have been through a spaces of transformations or changes. Conclusion. Data mining is the most interested because you can get information without asking specific questions. The process is mainly predictive and uses satisfies and algorithms to predict future trends or what can happen from the stored data.